Things just aren't working too good. Okay, Joe, heat flow is leveled and the shadow is right between 2 and 3 on the index.
Sounds good, thank you.
Hey, Joe, if Jim took a picture of the heat flow box, the one he took probably isn't representative of the proper alignment, which it now has.
I'll come over and take another one.
Okay. Come on over. Hey, don't touch it.
Hey, Jim, it's working perfectly.
Okay. I won't touch it, Joe. I swear. Good. Step on this. I'm trying to get it stretched out flat. There. Okay, it's dandy. It's got some dirt on it, but that's all right. Okay, Joe, what's next on the agenda?
Mark's pretty happy, too.
Well, there we go. Okay, here we go. Second one. Mark. Look at that beauty go. Look at that beauty stop. Look at that beauty go again.
Okay, give it time to clean the flutes.
I'm not leaning on it. It may appear that I am leaning on it, Tony, but I guarantee you I am not.
Okay, we understand.
Okay, it's run into something hard down there. I can feel the torque, or whatever it is that's going through it. Yep, it was through it. It's probably just some rocks down there in the regolith, Tony. You know, it looks, I bet it's just like the side of that fresh crater we saw back near the limb. Oh boy, thank goodness for that wrench. Never would be able to do that with the foot mashie. Here we go again. That dog.
Ah, beautiful.
Okay. Almost got it. Ask him what we're going to do if the temperature shows like it does at Hadley. Okay, the second one, The thermal cover's into the second red mark. And Tony, the probe is out of the ground up to B8. Right on the line between B7 and B8.
Okay, Baker 7 and 8.
Copy, flight. Roger.
Charlie, what? Something happened here. What happened? I don't know. Here's a line that pulled loose. Uh-oh. What is that? What line is it? That's the heat flow. Pulled it off. I don't know how that happened. Go loose from there? Yeah. God almighty. Now I'm wasting my time. God, I'm sorry. I didn't even know it. I didn't even know it.
Copy that, Alpha.
Yeah, it's sure going.
Did the wire or the connector come off?
Just broke right at the connector. The wire came off at the connector.
Okay, we copy. Okay, I guess we can forget the rest of that heat flow.
Are we sure that's a heat flow?
Yeah, I'll go do the, Oh, rats. I'm sorry, Charlie. God, no, I didn't even know it. A bunch of spaghetti over there.
Well, we can sure see that on TV. It looks like a mess.
Well, tell Mark we're sorry. There's no way we can recover from that, Tony?
I'm sure we're working it.
Science flight. Yeah. That might be a detachable connector. We're looking at it right now. We might want to have...
Yeah, I'll go over and get the...
Hey, it just came into sight again, Jack.
Hey, leave me enough room to deploy the heat flow. I'm going to. I'm looking for a place away from craters and rocks. That's why I didn't land up there. Okay, I think I got a place. And I think it'll also give you a spot for the neutron flux that's sheltered from the RTG.
Okay. You say you have a place like that, Jack?
Well, pretty much, I think, Bob.
Okay.
Let me work on it here a little more. I never thought I'd be out here doing this. Well, I tell you, okay, I'm going to go back this way. Central Station can be near a crater. It'll be pretty good. That'll put the lean right out over there, which is probably all right. The perimeter out over there, which is probably all right. Don't put your drill holes a little too close to that rock, though. Bob, ask Mark if he's worried about rocks as much as craters.
Okay,
I
stand
got
by.
a rock about 2 meters in diameter, partially buried. That one of the probes may be near.
Stand by and define near.
Well, it could be 10 feet.
Okay.
Well, I can move a little more south, I guess.
Okay, and Jack, it seems like if you're about 3 meters from the rock, that's no problem.
Okay. Okay, this is it.
Okay, copy that.
I do that training, though. just out of curiosity, what kind of heart rates has this drill been producing on me?
Stand by. Okay, you've been running 120 flushing with peaks of 140 to 150 from time to time.
Okay.
And there goes the last heat flow hole on the moon.
Oh. Yes, sir. I tell you, if you learn how to use your instruments in this 16G, you take your time and you get around, it's pretty phenomenal. But if you try and bend over without some help, not so phenomenal. Oops, there's a heat flow probe. What happened? I messed up. Man, don't hit that. Give me heart failure after all that drilling. No, I just walked too close to it. I apologize for that. I don't care how close you walk to it. Mark does. Mark does. Just don't step on it.